Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two powerful AI tools that are taking the content creation space by storm, HIX.AI and BypassGPT. Whether you're a blogger, a student, a marketer, or someone just trying to stay ahead in the AI writing game, this one's for you. We'll explore their features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the ultimate writing assistant in 2025. So let's get started. We start with HIX.AI. HIX.AI markets itself as an all-in-one AI writing co-pilot. This isn't your average AI writer. It's a fully equipped suite designed for everything from long-form content to rewriting, summarizing, email replies, SEO-optimized blogs, and even chat-based conversations. Think of it as a combination of ChatGPT, Grammarly, Jasper, and software SEO, but rolled into one sleek platform. It has over 120 tools and a browser extension that makes it easily accessible across the web. On the flip side, we have BypassGPT. BypassGPT doesn't try to be everything. It has one core mission: to make AI-generated content look and read like it was written by a human, undetectable by all those AI detectors out there like Turnitin, GPT-0, Originality.ai, and more. So instead of creating new content, its primary strength is rewriting. So it rewrites AI-generated text to make it look authentic, original, and natural. And that's a very specific and increasingly needed capability, wouldn't you say so? Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. We start with HIX.AI. It uses primarily DeepSeek with real-time web access. It has over 120 writing tools, including email writers, social media content creators, product descriptions, ad generators, and lots more. There's a long-form article writer that can generate SEO-optimized blogs with just a few inputs. Integration via a Chrome extension that also lets you write, reply, and generate content across Google Docs, Gmail, Twitter, Notion, you name it. It also has a translator and a paraphraser that is built in, making it a solid pick for global users. BypassGPT, however, zooms in on one powerful promise. It rewrites AI text to make it undetectable to AI detectors. It produces plagiarism-free, grammar-checked content and SEO-friendly content that bypasses filters. It uses a custom-trained model that is based on over 200 million samples of AI and human-written content, and it supports over 50 languages. It also has specific use cases that are tailored to students, bloggers, marketers, and content agencies. And there's a bonus: you paste your content, hit convert, and boom, and you get human-like output in seconds. All you just need to do is to sign up on the platform. Now let us talk about the pricing. For HIX.AI, you can try for free. There's a free plan with limited words, but the real power comes with the premium tiers. There's a basic plan, an unlimited plan which is recommended that helps you save 43% of the money annually, and a pro plan. And for BypassGPT, you can also try for free, but they also have tiered plans. If you need more, you have to pay more. There's a basic plan, a pro plan, and an unlimited plan which helps you save 40% of the money you would pay. So in essence, basically, HIX.AI is an investment for ongoing content creation, note that. But BypassGPT is a flexible tool for one-off or regular AI-proofing tasks, and basically has the promise to help you rewrite text so that it makes it undetectable to AI detectors and make it feel like it is written by a human. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of both platforms. First, the pros with HIX.AI. All-in-one solution with tons of tools. Real-time web access through HIX chats, and built-in SEO tools and templates. There's as well great user interface and a Chrome extension applicable. And the pros of BypassGPT? Extremely effective at bypassing AI detection tools. It is fast, easy, and reliable for humanizing content. It is affordable and beginner-friendly. How about the cons? For HIX.AI, it can be overwhelming with so many tools. Premium pricing may not be worth it for casual users, and there's limited offline usability. And for BypassGPT, it's not suitable for generating original content. It only helps you rewrite what you've already generated. With what just it does, it is limited in scope, which means it is basically for rewriting, but it does it well. It is less helpful for SEO planning, for research, or brainstorming. So who wins the battle for the ultimate writing assistant in 2025? It really comes down to your needs. If you are a content creator, a copywriter, a marketer, or a student who regularly produces original work and want tools for everything from brainstorming to publishing, HIX.AI is the clear winner. It's versatile, it's smart, and it feels like a true co-pilot. But if you're someone who uses AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write your initial drafts, and you just want to make sure your text doesn't get flagged as AI generated, BypassGPT is your best friend. It's laser focused, it's effective, and it's built for stealth. Truth is, they serve different masters. One is your workshop, the other is your disguise. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Jasper.AI, WriteSonic, and Undetectable.ai. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.